Early as fuck, I'm up before the sun. Coffee in my cup, charts loading one by one. Ain't no time to waste, got my system down. Trading's what I do, about to get this crown. Screens all lit up, candles red and green. This my morning shit, know just what I mean. Sipping slow and steady, while I check the trends. Mad focus now, this is how my day begins. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Fuck the FOMO trading, that ain't how I roll. Take my time analyzing, that's how I get gold. Coffee getting cold, but I'm locked right in. Watching patterns form, know just where to begin. This ain't rocket science, just my daily grind. Same shit, different day, but I'm doing fine. Got my setup perfect, got my mind just right. About to make these moves, gonna do this shit all night. Yeah. Sipping and trading, trading and sipping. Got my momentum, ain't no way I'm slipping. And patterns, patterns and flows. This is my rhythm, everybody knows. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Money moves, they all this shit feel from home. I can get cold, but I'm still in the zone. Making money move, yeah, this shit feels like home. Fuck sleep, I got my morning mapped, while these other bitches still trapped in the naps. Quiet house, screens lit up bright. My setup perfect, everything's right. First sip hits, mind gets clear. Another day to fucking dominate here. Watch the numbers dance and slide, while my coffee keeps me certified. Charts and coffee started right, yeah. Focus tight, mind in flight, mind in flight. Charts and coffee make it flow, yeah. That's the rhythm that I know. Second cup, now I'm in the zone. All these patterns speaking in code. They don't know about this morning grind, being sharp when others fall behind. Fuck that FOMO, I stay composed. Years of practice, that's how it goes. Every move calculated clean. This ain't luck, you know what I mean. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real one me. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real ones apart. Their cup's cold, but I don't care. These indicators showing me where to place it perfect, time is sweet, while amateurs still catch disease. This game ain't for the weak or slow. Gotta be ready when it's time to go. Morning ritual got me trained. Others sleep while I maintain. Charts and coffee one more time, yeah. This rhythm's yours and this rhythm's mine, this rhythm's mine. hours hit me with a different kind of peace. While the world's still quiet, I find my release. Just me and these numbers dancing slow, building patterns in my mind as I go. Something special about this morning and way before the day is time to care. And I keep asking myself as the minutes tick by, and I keep wondering why every morning feels so right. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? You asked me once why I rise before the sun. Said I'm chasing something that can't be outrun. It's not about the money or the gain, it's about finding clarity when things ain't the same. Each morning ritual brings me closer to truth. Like watching steam rise, I'm finding proof that patience builds more than just a perfect cup. It's teaching me when to hold, when to give up. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing if these thoughts align? Sometimes I wish you could see this morning meditation with me, where everything makes sense before the world gets intense. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? What's brewing me?
While the world's still asleep. First light hits my screen, I'm in my element. Fresh brew by my side, mind is confident. Reading these patterns like sheet music, feel the flow. Each candlestick painting stories as they go. Morning meditation with my market view. Catching waves of data, riding them with you. Some see just numbers, I hear the melody. Each trend line speaking rhythmically to me. Time signatures changing, support levels hold. Breaking down resistance as the day unfolds.
Charts and coffee, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me.
Second cup hitting different minds, eye clear. Watch these price points dance, appear and reappear like a jazz musician. Reading between the lines, finding sweet spots where opportunity shines. Keep it cool and steady, no need to rush. Let the market breathe, feel that morning hush. Been studying patterns since you've been sleeping. Watching lines form art while knowledge I'm reaping. Strategy tight like a bebop groove. Calculated steps on when to make my moves. Speed picks up, more test delivery. Quick shifts come in tempo, changing fast. Gotta stay composed, make these moments last. Reading signals, catching every beat. Market symphony playing just for me. Mind state elevated, focus clean. This ain't just trading, this is art you're seeing. Charts and coffee, yeah, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me.
Good afternoon, everybody. Happy FOMC. Good afternoon, YouTube, Kick, Twitch, Rumble, Discord. How is everybody today?
Well, you already know, but I'm doing okay. Other than the sniffles.
Dennis is always great.
I mean, it's always a party.
Dennis is like, I woke up alive this morning. That's
You know
what I
I'm
need.
saying? Upright and breathing is always a good thing.
Been at this game since day one, teaching me patience like you always done.
Oh man, I don't have my phone. Son of a bitch. I was gonna take a picture of this for Paul. My son's dog and my dog, they were best friends, and they haven't seen each other in a few years, and it took them a couple of days to get back to, oh, I remember you. Now they're laying here side by side, both on their left side, and my dog is snoring like a damn old man. It's funny because I come in here and I close the door because my daughter-in-law works from home like 3 days a week, I think. And so I try not to be loud. Like in the morning, I'll go on my headset instead of having this mic that my son's letting me use and having my speakers running. And his dog will come lay under the desk or right behind me. And then my dog sleeps in a bed right outside the office door. Like it's crazy.
Wow.
I'll tell you what, I've only been here for a few days because I was out for that, for the better part of a week. But just the few days being here and having like some thunderstorms roll through, I'm like, dude, I really miss being in an actual house.
Yeah.
I don't think I want to continue the RV lifestyle anymore. But I mean,
Don't
almost 10 years in an RV is enough. Like that's a long time to be in an 8-foot wide space,
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
I'm wondering if NQ wants that higher buy side liquidity.
Let's see. What's NQ looking like?
Actually,
Yeah, we got no
nice wick on the hour.
No bottom wick, flip, and run up. Was not a bad run there.
Oh, you think it's 30 minute?
Yeah.
No, there's about, yeah.
Yeah.
I wasn't even looking at 30 minutes. Okay, so on the 4 hour, it looks like she's engineering sell side liquidity, like heavily, but like I kind of feel like she probably wants all-time highs again. Like I don't.
You got a wickless candle up there. See your candle?
I short more than, yeah, I see it. I short more than I buy, unfortunately, because that for some reason that's just kind of how I counter trend trade. Like, and people tell me will tell you you're an idiot for counter trend trading.
No,
but I'm decent at catching that move after a move. You know what I mean? Like after it makes a big move, generally it's going to come back to 50%, and I know that, and I'm not caught up in the hype of that initial move. So like I've just for whatever reason naturally I've always drawn to that counter trend reversal trade. But over the year, like I've learned, okay, well, I mean, don't bet against the U.S. stock market unless you're like in a full-on recession, because the son bitch is gonna go back up. So, like, I want to say, oh, she's going back up to all-time highs, because I think 22,505 is the all-time high. So, Does that sound right? Pretty close, yeah. No, 22,865. Damn. Okay, but she's also signaled and broke structure on the weekly to the downside, and this is kind of retesting back up. So if you look for reversal patterns, she's technically in the reversal pattern, which should mean she's just gonna tank. But like, I don't ever trust her to actually do that for some reason. So, and I'm not like, I'm not good like you as far as knowing how that candle's going to build, and it's going to pop right here and then pop up, and then like, I can't do that. Like, I wish I could, but I'm just not that. For whatever reason, it just hasn't grabbed me yet. Crown. Yeah. Oh, he didn't come back. He didn't come in the stream, did he? Sorry, I'm just rambling.
I thought maybe you saw him. I didn't see him.
No, he posted in the chat.
Oh, okay.
There we go. That's the right one. Wow. Damn, Sonny. The fuck are you doing? Why now?
Yeah. There you go, Sonny. That's right. Good afternoon, Sonny. By the way. $35. Or it's up to
That's
you.
a nice 30-minute candle on NQ. Brown, what you working on there, homie? Oh, that's my boy knocking out that initial balance high and low. Hey, Reality, how many people are watching the stream now?
6, 7.
All right, so you add that to the 18 from this morning, and I won the 50K account. Yay!
There you go.
Sorry, I couldn't help it.
I don't expect we'll get a lot of viewers this afternoon, but that's way better than what we normally get. That's the reason I stopped doing FOMC, is because the viewer count would be non-existent. So I'd stop doing it. So I'm coming back today. We're going to try it again. If we have a decent turnout, which it looks like we're going to, then we'll stream the next one. We'll stream until we don't have a decent turnout. I don't like sitting here talking to myself, guys. I'll be honest with you. It's just not something that I find enjoyable. I could do that without being on stream.
I mean, there's that. I mean,
yeah. I mean, it's less awkward. It's less awkward when you know that nobody can go back and replay you talking to yourself. To where on stream, people can come back and replay it later. If you're just sitting here.
See, I'm a business owner, so I just go, if you see me talking to myself, I'll be answering myself too, but don't worry, I'm having a business meeting.
Yeah, well, yeah.
I mean, sometimes you just got to work shit out.
Yeah. I mean, that's fair. That's fair. I'm a corporation at the end of the day.
See, I'm of the opinion, I'm just as surprised by the shit that comes out of my mouth as y'all are, but it keeps it interesting. So,
Fair.
I never really know what's going to pop out until something's said. Like that fucking dude Crown, like he just gets me started. He hadn't shown up yet, has he?
I don't know. I hadn't looked. No. He's not here.
Man, get your ass in the stream, bro.
He might be on YouTube. Comment, Crown, if you're on YouTube.
I was say, it'd be easy, he can hear us, so.
Yeah, be the first comment because nobody else has.
I mean, you know what? I was the first like, and I'm in Discord. So, I mean, y'all are
There you go. Yeah.
Like, thumbs up that shit and throw in a damn boost for the server.
Yeah, hopefully they bring them tags, and then I'm going to try to get those boosts up so that we can put tags beside our names. That's what it'll be. So we can put like a LTW beside our names.
Well,
We're proud.
I'm hoping that the wife's server will get enough that she gets to, because her server is at level 3.
Yeah.
So if we can get, if we can get some more people within her server to get her boosted, I'll switch my second boost over too and add 2 boosts to this server.
Yeah.
So I don't want to take away both boosts and then she drops a level. Because that game is her life. Like she's
for sure.
She built a Discord server for it, and like she plays it all the time. Like she's at the highest level within the game as far as like you have Gold, Diamond, Master of Magic, and Magic Awakened. And Magic Awakened is like the ultimate level to get to with it. It's a dueling thing. So, but she's magical. She made Magic Awakened like last week. Finally, she's been working at it for 2 years. So like she's very heavily invested in the game. So I'm like trying to support the server. There you go, Crown. That 30-minute candle on NQ is nice. That would have been a nice trade to get into. I mean, if you took the flip, though, that was a hell of a wick. 39, 40. I mean, a 37 point. Those were 122. Like, damn. Sonny, did you take a short? Oh, damn, right at 35 too, almost shit. I missed that. Yeah, you got 1 minute to FOMC though, so right.
Let's see what moves. Oh, no worries. No worries, man, mechanic. You do what you got to do.
Mechanic is going through what I go through. The job is starting to affect your trading time. This is bullshit. We got to fix it.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Hey, Riz. Yeah, you too. You too. Let's see what we can do here.
I knew it.
Top wick.
Man. On the 800, gold. That was nuts.
Yeah. Making that move up to put that top wick on that candle that had no wick on it.
On NQ or on?
Gold. Gold.
Oh, right.
All the best profits to you as well, Riz. Glad to have you. Hope you can show up to more live streams. We live stream every day.
Now this move should kind of drag out because it's press conference, right?
Yeah, I mean, 230, we should see another move. Yeah. I mean, I don't know how long this will last, but once it kind of dies down, we should see some more movement at 230. Is this going to flip? No way is this going to flip. That's too big of a stop.
You got no bottom wick on that candle.
Yeah.
Oh, that's on the hour.
It could definitely flip. What did Dixie do? Oh yeah, Dixie's got a big red candle, no top wick.
Oh, she got a pump later.
Yeah.
Where's Elon to tell him to pump it?
Now we went back the other way, right?
Hey, y'all like the stream? Like,
What a mechanic
we gotta
leave.
talk reality into doing it more often. Another nice wick.
Yes, it is.
Oh, that sucks.
Both ways, gold and NQ. Nice wick on both. They both pushed up, put on a wick. There's the flip.
Man, that's too big of a damn stop.
Yes, that's the problem. Gold's the exact same way. We're about to get, but now, here's where it comes in at though. You could take something off of Nasdaq here. Let me switch my screen real quick so you can see Nasdaq and not just gold. Yeah, on the 800. The flip up, oh, it just happened too. Yeah.
I'm on the 800. I haven't seen that yet. Damn, that was wait. Yeah.
Here comes one.
Okay, so you got pop back up here to 2230.
Nasdaq still red, yeah. So yeah, here would be your short right here. Short it there.
Yeah.
When it breaks the low. Hadn't quite got there yet, but on the 800, if you break the low, you should be able to short that back down if you want, if you're just looking for an entry on it. I'd be a little careful because we're moving so much now. You want to wait for this one to come back down. Now we're moving back up again. So you want to wait for this to come break the low.
Well, yeah,
Once you get a top
Asia
wick.
low would be like, Asia low would be the target. It's just getting the entry.
So
One more up candle that I can flip. That'd be a beautiful entry.
I am going back to gold though.
I stop above the 21 EMA, so I keep it kind of tight and be able to not risk a bunch.
Yeah. I'm going back to gold. Let's see what we can do there.
Top wick, here we go. Top wick, baby. A little one. Well, I missed that. Fuck. I thought I was going to pop up a little higher than that.
Charts telling stories while others hesitate. Our side crossing D's looking clean. Building strategies like you ain't never seen. Resistance levels got me feeling so alive. Support zones when my orders through sleep. Now I'm teaching you to swim in the deep. Trading wisdom, dropping knowledge every day. Show you how to read the markets display. No FOMO.
Traded RTY. Very nice. Forest boy. Dennis ain't talking. He might be in that short. I don't know.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Okay.
I missed it. I was looking for that second 800 candle. After that one green 800, I was looking for that second one to pop up a little higher than that, and it didn't.
Yeah.
Let's see if it pops back up here to 25. There's a nice
you-
gap, even on the 800. If it pops up there, it'll be a good entry, I think. Because I think it's going to ace up. So. But she don't want to give me the entry right now, so I'm not on him. She'd be an asshole. Come on, Crown. Pop in, man.
Everything's pretty much bouncing back and forth currently. So let's see what we can take advantage of here.
First light breaking through my window, cup in hand, just me and morning slow dance. Watching steam curl up towards the ceiling, each breath measured, each moment revealing.
Yeah, it's jumping around. I am not disagreeing with you there, Brown. You better, if you're getting in, get in and out quick. Right? And that's what Sonny's doing currently. Make sure to get in and out quick. I caught $60 on a micro on it. Very nice. Good job, Paul.
Was it a buy or a sell? Oh, you got the short. Right on.
It was a short there. Yeah, I was watching what Reality was doing on the 800, and I just seen it pop up and back up, and I entered on the wick down, and I got it on out.
Yep.
Yeah, I didn't react quick enough, and I missed it. I was like, shit. That's why I'm sitting there waiting to see if it pops back up to this gap.
I'm trying to enter
On the 5 minute, I'm waiting to see if she creates a gap.
5 minutes.
Because she disrespected the bullish gaps. So I'm waiting to see. Just waiting to see what she's doing here.
A 30-minute candle on the gold is horrible.
Yeah.
Wicks everywhere, and not a wick whenever you need one.
Yep. I hope everybody understands that 800. I know you're understanding pretty well, Paul. But once you go down and you flip bearish on that 30-minute NQ candle, well, now you look for the move back up for your top wick, and then a flip on the 800. So now you don't have to risk that entire top wick stop loss. So that's kind of how it works. And then you get in, and obviously, like Paul says, you want to get in and manage the trade pretty aggressively, because you still got to realize your stop loss is supposed to be above that top wick, right? So you want to manage it, but it's a way to scalp in and out, guys. And if you start taking advantage of that 800 tick, you'd be surprised at how many of these entries you can take part in on NQ that otherwise would have been impossible using a 30-minute time frame, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's a nice $815 fucking scalp. I caught that 800 flip.
Very nice, very nice.
I'm looking at it on the 800 as well. It's looking like it wants to flip on the 800, but the previous candle does not have a wick, so this is a dodgy one, but it's looking good on the regression. So yeah, mixed signals. I'm going to just set this one out. If you're not sure, don't press anything.
Well, on the 5 minute, it's not creating bearish fair value gaps. So like, so I don't like that. I'd like for it to leave a gap there. And it did quite make it to my gap that I was looking for at 25. That's why I scalped it.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I mean, I ain't gonna bitch. I caught a little win on it. So,
Yep. Same as.
Learning how to scalp on the 800. So that kind of makes it fun for me. Like, all jokes aside. And it's fun when you're in tune with it and you go, oh, I see what's happening here. Let me wait on this flip.
Yep. For you new people that are watching along and don't understand the 800 tick, just attend the live streams, guys. Continue to show up. We go over it daily, so.
Reality's good at explaining it too when you have questions. So like legit best place you can be to learn how the charts, how it moves, not just the concepts.
Yep.
Because that's the difference in here and everywhere else is you get all the concepts and okay, when this gap happens, you're learning why it's moving and being able to start watching it and figure out how the candles build, which I'm still not good at. It does make it fun. And then we get to fuck around with people too, because like I love giving crown shit. Of course, we got to get his ass in here.
Yeah.
Get in here, buddy. I want to make fun of you. Hey, Paul, are you on the stream right now on YouTube?
I'm actually on Discord, Dennis. Literally as I was about to come down, I had somebody call to the house again. That's twice.
Oh, right on. I was just going to say, man, go hit the like button because I hate being the only one.
I always hit the like button.
There's five. There's five so far, Dennis. There's five.
Oh, okay, I only saw one. I only see one. Like shit.
Yeah.
Come on, fella.
Are we on Rumble for this as well? Yeah.
Yep. Rumble is running too.
Hold on, I jump over there now.
Yep. Rumble, Kick, Twitch. Everywhere.
I need to get the. I need to download my all those fucking codes they have on Discord to recover your account in case you forget your password.
Yep.
Then I can start begging for admin privileges.
There you go.
Well, because I don't have multi-factor authentication set up.
Yeah. You have to have that.
Yeah, I know. It puts that notification up when I'm in the server, no matter what.
Yeah, you have to have it to be a mod over here in order to do anything. I think you can still be a mod. Like I can give you the privileges, but you can't do anything. Riz will try your best to join more. You usually trade Asia. I used to live stream Asia. It's 2 a.m. here for you. Yeah, I used to live stream Asia, but again, it was the same thing. Not many people showed up, so I stopped doing that as well. But
I look at the open, and then I generally jump in. I jump on charts around between 2 and 3 Eastern time for London.
Yeah,
Asia, I don't trade much because it's slow.
It is.
Like I'm never 100%. Now gold at 8 p.m. There's usually a move on gold at 8 p.m. So when the Asia market opens, it tends to throw a little something your way.
Yep.
But I've been burned on that one a few times, so I kind of watch it more so than anything else.
Good afternoon, so afternoon for me, evening for you, I assume. So good evening either way, however it works.
Riz, are you trading gold or do you trade NQ and ES? I pretty much only take gold trades when reality calls them anymore. You know what? I've caught a couple of really good trades on gold, and I've been completely wrecked. So, of course, that's happened on NQ too, but I have a better shot with NQ of getting in and out pretty quick for some reason. I guess it's just because that's what I've been trading mostly. So I'm more used to how it moves. I mean, you'd think I wouldn't take as many fucking small hits as I do because I've been trading it for so long, but I do. So.
Does anybody actually listen to what Powell's saying here by any chance?
Do what?
Is anybody watching a live feed of what Powell is doing or saying?
No. Fuck no.
But it is a good
I mean,
idea.
if I see that dude on a live stream, it's gonna make me want to slip my wrists, and y'all don't want that. Like, y'all
Right.
love me. You don't want me to not make it.
Dennis Riz says, hey brother, I'm strictly a gold and BTC trader, but dabbling in Q, but not enough confidence yet. FX traders
Right
love
on.
gold.
Hey,
Yeah,
I
so
feel the same way about Bitcoin. So I feel like I could trade gold. I just wait for reality's calls on it, because at least then I've got, let's just say a 90-10 chance of at least making some money.
It hasn't
CFDS, yeah.
started swinging yet. There's nobody in the room yet. I'm afraid not up at the stand yet, so nothing's happening.
No, it had that one good candle on NQ, and then said, "No, we're just gonna stop right here and chill."
Yeah, but look how much of the range that is taken out. It's like that last couple of candles in gold. Bonds and short have all been cleared out now, so we have to see which way we're going to go to induce.
So that 39 candle looks nice. Let's see some sellers get involved, and we can take that shit back up. Because you got London high and Asia low still untouched. So as soon as it takes one of those, the sellers or buyers are coming in, and then you probably get an opportunity. That would be my thought. I mean, I could be wrong. Like I am not a gold guru by any stretch of the imagination.
Yeah, he doesn't talk until 2:30, and normally he's late, guys. So
Right? The dude gonna be late to his own damn funeral.
yeah.
He's probably sitting there trying to work through his head on what's Trump gonna say now.
Like Sonny just said, what he's doing is he's going ahead and finishing up his positions before talking. So he'll just go ahead and
Right.
he's on his cell phone in the bathroom finishing them all up now.
Telling his broker, okay, when I say this, you hit the button. That wouldn't surprise me. Like, I mean, Congress can use insider trading and not have, but if we do it, they're going to put us under the prison that Martha Stewart was in. So I'm like, you get to go to the basement. Like, fuck. That's the only reason to become a congressman, right there.
Purple tie short, blue tie long. All right, Sonny, at least you know.
Hey, you know what? I'm gonna run with. I wouldn't run for Congress now. I did my public service. I was in the military for 10 years. I'm done. I don't care what benefits y'all give me for being up there like insider trading. As awesome as that is, the rest of it sucks. Well, here's the problem. Like, okay, so Trump, this is where Trump won for me, right? Because I've always said I can't run for president because these people don't really want the truth. And Trump came out and went, hey, I'm going to tell you the truth, whether you like it or not. You know what? I don't care what you think of that dude. At least you know what he's thinking. Because he is not afraid to fucking just say it. And he comes across like an asshole a lot of the times. But at least he tells you what's on his mind.
Yeah.
So I give that dude some credit.
I wish that he would abolish the IRS, like he said, and abolish the NFA, like he said. Actually, the ATF or all the way around, but that'd be nice. But I don't think it'll happen.
I mean, we could write a strongly worded letter. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'll sign on.
I'd love to get rid of those ATF and IRS. Those are two things that I think we could do without. Just my opinion.
I mean, if you want to cut out some waste and abuse, that's two good places to do it.
Correct. 100%. Don't think I'm going to trade this too many wicks on the 4 hour for YM. Yeah. Let me look at YM.
Oh, I've got YM in there. Like everything rolled over, but I got YM in my watch list. I don't think I've ever opened it.
Yeah.
I just don't trade it. Like it's $5. I mean, you could trade full contracts in that because it's $5 a point.
Yep.
So instead of going to micros like we do on NQ, but I've gone back to trading two contracts on NQ though. I just realized that, you know, my problem is going on full tilt, not that I'm trading too big of a damn position.
Yeah. Well, it's $5 a tick too on YM.
Oh, it's a tick. Okay, it's a tick.
Both.
I did not think it was $5 a point.
No, it is. It is. It's both. Here's how ticks and points work.
$5.
Listen. Here's how ticks and points work. A tick is the smallest movement an asset moves. So on NQ, the smallest movement that it moves is 25 cents. That's what it moves. On gold, it's 10 cents. So there's 10 ticks and a point on gold. There's 4 ticks and a point on NQ. However, YM moves in dollar value. Every dollar is 1 point always. So since its smallest measurement of movement is $1, then it's a tick and a point both because it moves per dollar.
Right. Okay. Right. Okay. So 4 ticks in YM is 1 point in NQ.
Well, no. 4 ticks in NQ is 1 point. 4 ticks in YM is 4 points.
Right. So yeah. Okay. So it's the same, effectively. So 4 ticks within YM is the same as 4 ticks. It's just dollars versus ticks.
Correct. So it's points as well. Yeah, money.
It makes sense.
Yeah, money. In money, it's the same. In money, it's the same. Yes. See, it in order for gold to move $1, it has to move 10 ticks because each tick is only 10 cents. So a point on gold's actually 10 ticks.
Per dollar.
Exactly. Like ES. ES is the same as well. It moves in quarter increments. So every point is $1 on any asset. This is why I think it's easier than Forex, but some people don't get it. Yeah. But for me, it's kind of easier because if you look at your chart, right, the smallest increment any asset can move is a tick, and $1 is always a point in every asset.
Right.
So I feel like it's easier, but a lot of people they get confused and don't think it's easier. So I don't know. What? Yeah.
Dude, when I get to 5 and 6 decimal points, okay, what's a pipette and what's a fucking pip? I don't understand.
Yeah. Yeah. When you start getting into like the yen, the Japanese yen is like, there's like tons of ticks. I don't know how many. I hadn't traded in a long time. I traded it way back when, but there's like, it's like 12,000. It's like $12,500 a point or something. I believe it's like something crazy. Well, tons of ticks.
Like when you get into, I traded the Australian to US when I was in Forex, and is it 4 or 5 decimal points? So you're like, okay, so the 5th decimal point is a pipette. So every 10 minutes is a pip. Like, screw this. Just hit buy or sell and see how it goes. Fuck it.
Yeah. 5K is 70 ticks if you use 15 contracts on NQ. Yeah, Sonny, how would you know that exactly? Like,
I mean, full port much?
That's what I was getting at. He said this is very important to know.
Right? Dude, I full ported. Okay, so I full port. I had 2. Apex ran a big sale on 250K accounts.
Yeah.
It was like $85 PA fee. So I was like, okay. And it was like, it's almost the same price as a 100K account. Or I think it was the same price. Anyway, so I had 2 of them. And I blew these fuckers, right? And I was like, fuck it, I'll reset them for $35. And this is the last time I'm resetting them. So I went full port on both of them, hit 15K in profit in one trade. And like, dude, I about jumped up and down and ripped off my underwear and masturbated in front of the damn computer.
Oh my jeez.
And then I blew them the next day. I was like, son of a bitch, that was fucking $200 wasted real quick. But yeah, knowing, like, I know how much I'm going to make just by points with the 1 to 2 contracts I'm in. And I'm like, okay, so I'm going to set my take profit. That works. That'll put me at 15. And then I take the couple paper cuts and I'm like, okay, so now I need 2,000.
Yeah.
And then I always cut my trade early. And then it runs to my take profit. I'm like, son of a bitch, that'd have been a $1,500 day. Damn it. I hate it when that happens. So, herein lies the problem of a experienced novice trader.
So
the
what do
you sit here and stare at 4 screens and you got it, you understand what you're doing, and you just self-sabotage yourself. Like it's a pain in the ass.
So what do you use for a stop loss on YM? Just curiosity as to what do you have like a stop loss rule set for yourself on YM, or how do you manage that? Just curious.
So that must be for Sonny because it's not for me.
No, it's for Soul.
Oh, okay, right on.
What do you use for your stop loss, Sonny?
But you're going for 5K too, so I mean.
That one's not he doesn't have a stop loss on that trade.
I'm just gonna hit this red button here and see what happens.
Yeah, Sonny doesn't use a stop loss on that trade. What do you use for ES, Sonny? If you use the same for YM, what do you use for it? Because I think you use 50. Okay, 20. All right, you use 50 for NQ, yeah.
Hey, so if you really want to have fun, put somebody in your car and then just look at them real somber like, and put both hands on the steering wheel. I'm like, I'm going to try this. I saw it in a cartoon once. That's what I do on it. That's what I do. It doesn't always work out. Sometimes I'm Wile E. Coyote on Acme Rocket.
Doesn't always work out. Beautiful. First TP 70 ticks, yeah. Well, in the day trade, I just I dropped my ATM in the live chat yesterday because Paul was asking for it, and what I've been doing, Sonny, on it, only because it's been so choppy, I've been running 2 minis, first TP 20, second TP 500. And then I got a 50 tick stop on both, and then a trailing stop loss once it hits first take profit. So essentially it goes 2+1, and then I drag it manually past that. 1 mini 50 tick stop loss, which is 250. Yeah. Yeah, same. I use 50 ticks on NQ as well, so 2 minis. 50 tick, $500. Here's what it is. I use a 30, and this is max, right? Then I use a max of 30 on gold, but that always has to do with the previous wick. So it gets adjusted as I drop the order. As I get entered, I will move it, but I don't go over 30 ticks on gold. 2 mini contracts, 30 ticks. So that's a $600 stop if I have a full stop. And again, it's not normal for me to take 30 because being 30 without being 31 is pretty tough. I don't just drop it at 30 ticks. If it's 23, then that's where I put my stop at. So a lot of people think that, I'm risking 600 every time, but it's not. 150 tick stop on NQ. Yeah, it can get tricky, but that's why I show the 800 tick so much, because you can get away with having a lot tighter stop, running that 50 tick stop or whatever you prefer. I prefer 50 ticks on NQ, and you can jump onto the 800 tick and get you a wick and flip on there and get decent entry and get to your take profit and start moving into profit and drag your stop loss as you go, rather than having to have such a large stop. So. Are you there, Dennis? I may mute him if he can't hear me.
The 30-minute candle, no bottom wick. My God, this is just not
Yeah.
going our way today at all.
No, it is not. It'll probably go and put the bottom wick on. That's exactly what this last candle did. They didn't have the bottom wick that we left the stream, and it didn't have the bottom wick. I'm trying to remember where it was.
Maybe.
I don't remember now, but either way, it didn't. It was this one right here. We left the stream, and I said we're going to put on a top wick and a bottom wick. Hopefully, it waits for FOMC. Came in, very next candle, put on the bottom wick, and then this came in, put on the top wick here. So, and now we're still just sideways. So it's it has been interesting to say the least.
Who's got Powell's number? Let's call him up and tell him to unfuck himself.
He hadn't got out there yet, I imagine. I find YM a good middle ground between NQ and ES. Yes. I think that's probably fair, so I believe that. Like I said, I used to trade YM. It's been a long time. Been a long time ago. Blue tie? Is it really a blue tie? You just saying that? Or do you really have blue tie on? Do you really come out now? Or you pulling my leg, Sonny? Gold or NQ?
Damn.
Or Dixie? What's going up? See, now there's the question, right?
Yeah,
NQ. He only wears ties for NQ. All right. I was not sure. I was not sure that's how it worked.
I'm being patriotic. My M&Ms are red, white, and blue.
That works. That works.
I looked down and saw a white M&M, man. What the fuck?
At least the 0.5. I can see that. I don't think that's got nothing to do with I don't think that's got anything to do with Powell's tie. Just so we're clear. Has anybody else got ads yet on the live stream? I've got the live stream on, and it's given ads beside the live stream. I don't know what. I wish I could get it to do this in the morning. How's it doing this?
Right.
Is that what yours is doing too?
It just did it. I just skipped it.
But is it side by side or no?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It wasn't doing that this morning. It's doing it now.
Yeah. I need to figure out how the wife set this live stream up, because I need it to be sideways all the time like that, because, I mean, then nobody would have to skip it. They'd still be able to see the live stream the whole time.
The ads always come at the most inopportune time, too. So
yeah, that's what I'm saying. If it was side by side, it wouldn't matter, because you'd still be able to see my screen. So I need to know how she set that thing up. Maybe we'll find it in the settings, because this is a new setup for this stream that she changed, because I'd prefer them to be side by side like that, so that people can still see what's going on while the ad's playing. Yep, 0.5 just got hit, Sonny. You are exactly right. Did you finish that eval then? Is that what you're saying? When you say done, you talking about the 0.5, or are you talking about did you trade that? I had loads of ads today.
50% now.
All to do with trading and buying my courses. Well, that sucks. Like I said, we set the ads up. We set the monetization up because we're getting a lot more viewers that way, and that was the purpose behind it. But
no, get out of there. Get out.
I don't get it. I don't get to say what the ads are, so I have no idea what they're about or anything else. But I wish we could do them side by side like this, because then you could still see what I had going on and wouldn't have to worry about the ads playing.
Damn, that was quick. Holy shit.
9K. Sonny, plus your fees. Yeah, the 0.5 reacted well. Is Powell speaking now? Am I missing gold? Probably missing my gold trades. No. Dixie's going to recover that red candle and put a wick on the top there. Did we have a bottom wick on this candle previously? I wasn't paying attention to the NQ. Interesting.
Yeah, sure. I sit in the bed.
You did? Okay. Okay. Just banging back and forth, guys. Yeah, gold is unbothered for now. You are right, Riz. I've been noticing, and I don't know if you've noticed the same thing, but the news releases have been delayed with gold. So essentially the news will be dropped, and normally somewhere around a half an hour to 1 hour later, gold seems to respond. And it's just been over the last maybe 3 or 4 weeks.
The reality, I think I may have messed up.
Yeah. First
What
up.
happened?
I let the wife write the notes for my sticky notes around the screen for me. First one says, "Don't fuck it up."
Well, I think I think that's a good one though.
Please.
That's even better. I beg of you. I beg of you.
Emodian over here.
Oh, jeez. Yeah. Yeah, Riz. Exactly. Yeah,
I'm gonna get one of just
I've noticed that as well. And there's some news tonight for you, Riz. I think there's Japanese news this evening, 9 p.m. my time. So that's going to be during that Asia session that you're trading. I believe there's some
They're
news
making a
tonight.
Karate Kid Legends movie. By the way, I know you were interested. Any of y'all Karate Kids fans? They're making a Karate Kids Legends movie, I think.
Wow.
Here we go again. Shit. Wow. Holy shit. Help me help you. Show me the money.
Yeah.
I'm not supposed to be
That's
focusing
fair.
on money. Jesus. See,
Q&A.
if I fail, that's why. She made me think about money. No, I'm putting that up there. I'm putting that up there. No.
Q&A session now. Yeah, Paul. And for everybody that shows up to Landon streams, and I'll say it again during the live stream tomorrow, but Landon is going to skip the education stream tomorrow. So
I didn't take none of your checks, Mitch.
so he said he wanted to he was going to have to postpone it, which is fine, but
Really?
Sorry, I need to mute my.
red folders all day. Yeah, Riz. Yep. Should be decent movement, Asia, I would say. Tonight should be a decent session for gold, I would say. You know, obviously you'll never really know, but that would be my take on it, right? Yeah, Forest Boy Sonny said long if he comes out with a red or with a blue tie. Sorry. See if we could snap this bottom wick and then pull back up again. How big's that top wick? Really shouldn't be trading in this range, all joking aside. Yeah, 12 ticks. Meh. Same thing here. Okay. We will wait.
Oh, y'all, she made me buy pink sticky notes too. Like, I guess I'm getting in touch with my feminine
jeez.
side.
Pink sticky
Make
notes.
sure you make sure
She said, get in touch with your feminine side. I said, I'm trying, but you keep telling me no. Okay. Well, I put it there because I'm watching over here all the time. That's fine.
Was it purple? I don't know. I don't know, Force Boy. I'm not sure what color it is. I know that
It's pink because he's a good JJ.
Oh, stop. Takes one to know one.
Yeah, it was purple.
Was it purple? Okay, okay. I wasn't
Purple is
looking.
a sign of the gay rights movement in the 90s.
Oh my gosh.
I ain't saying nothing. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Damn, a 50 tick stop loss on a mini? Oh, that's on YM.
Yeah, we're in 50 tick on 2 minis on NQ.
150 tick. Oh, no, never mind. I do it by points. God damn it.
Yeah. Yeah, no, he said he'd have to have that. Yeah. So, don't you see we were pumping? Are we pumping?
Yeah, it's pumping. It just broke the 50% of that wick from the data candle.
I mean, I guess. I don't know if it's pumping, but it's still sideways.
Well, it's trying to make a pump on the 5 minute.
Yeah. It's trying to go up. That is.
It's thinking about it. It used to could. If you give it a minute, it might could again.
Pump it on the 1 second. Sonny, you're funny, man.
I say it looks huge on the 1 second chart, I'm sure.
He's getting rejected off the London high on the Nasdaq so far. We're right at the high of the day again.
I mean, it hit it. It swept the London high by 1 tick on this candle, it looks like, on the 5 minute.
I don't look at anything less than the 15, so I'm hoping for well, we'll have to wait and see what happens on the opening of the 30 as well, but keep an eye out for the 15 to see if we're going to punch through or we're going to be rejected here.
I mean, honestly, this FOMC is a little bit lackluster if you ask me.
It is extremely.
Yeah, I agree.
I mean, volume is there. It's 5.3K on a 5 minute candle, but like it's not moving.
Somebody's obviously absorbing all those buys. Try sales.
Yeah.
I'm sure sales are coming in because that was the expectation this week for NQ across most of the ICT community. So like right now, it seems like this week's just been playing whack-a-mole with NQ.
Yep.
Take your 10, 20 point hits when you can and call it a day. If you get lucky, you catch one of these little 50 pointers. I bet the algo trade sucks today too because there ain't gonna be any US traders tomorrow.
Yep, it might.
So I got myself to 700 profit, so I'm just whatever.
Beautiful.
I'm not gonna fuck it up because that's the first sticky note that went on the outside of my screens.
Yep.
So
That's good.
do you feel better now? Lay down, creeper. Go ahead. Okay, lay down, creeper. No, you licked me enough. Lay down. Lay down.
Well, the 5 minute in the NQ, Dennis, is consolidating beautifully. Perfectly almost.
I mean, the 5 minute is like, no, maybe.
No top wicks on them either.
Like those 2 down candles with no top wick, like, okay. I'll play your little reindeer game. Yeah, gold looks almost the same, but that's on the 30-minute chart.
Back down on the 15, yeah. So yeah, I mean, she's just sideways. She's gonna come down here and she's got to put a bottom wick on this candle. That's what she did last time. I think she'll do the exact same thing again, but really nothing's happening. She is slow.
You think that chick at the strip club, come back to the VIP lounge. Do you want some of this? No. I'm like, what the? Just give it up, chick.
What? Where does this come from, Dennis? Where does this come from?
No, I'm a fucking creeper. I'm a dirty old man. Those engineered lows on the 5 minute on NQ look pretty fucking tasty though. Because she never came back down to the Asia low.
One hour's just fluff.
What the hell?
Yeah, almost.
Oh.
It isn't easy today. Yeah, Sonny, it's not. I agree with you.
It's like Cheetos from the 80s. It ain't easy being cheesy.
Mm-hmm. Should be the push on gold right here. She should come down and put that bottom wick on. There it is. Yeah.
Damn, and I missed it.
Yeah, there wasn't nothing to trade, sadly. But
no, you creeper, lay down. Jesus. I don't even like you that much.
yeah, so you're probably absolutely right. Like, he's the life of the party, right?
Oh.
Now we should
Is
make it
that
to the
push?
0.5 of that wick. Yeah, we should make it to the 0.5 of that wick, I would say. Depends on if this wick gets pushed through. It pushed one tick below it. Now it should come back down, break the bottom again if we've got enough longs, and go down to the 0.5 of that wick to the left there. Got to let some longs get involved, though. You can't push down without the longs, right? Like, you have to have orders, guys.
No, it says it's just sitting on the 50% of the Asia. Oh, wait a minute. Is it? Yeah, 50% of the Asia range. That's where it's sitting.
So 0.5
Like,
of this.
it's weird. Gold, either gold or NQ want to break that shit. They're like, nah, I'm just gonna stay right here. What the fuck? And so just like maybe I was told about 10 years ago, a friend of mine's like, Dennis is a fucking muppet when he's drunk. So like just. I guess it might be fun. Damn, Paul, you're in sim or is that your eval?
That's an actual, what I call it? It's an actual my eval.
Nice. All right, take it to the floor, biatch.
Yeah, I'm almost at break even. I just like another 800 red candle printed if possible. I know whenever I move break even, it'll stop me out, but $50 up now, so should I get greedy or what? Fuck it, let it run.
I mean, you've gotten really good at letting them run on sim, so I mean, it couldn't hurt.
I'm at break even, so it's okay. I don't mind.
But now NQ's like acting like she's gonna go. No top wick on either 5 minute candle though. So is it the 15?
I'll put 2 things to one time.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, Sonny. Sonny, you're right.
We got the 30.
Asia could,
That was
yeah.
the flip. Shit, that was the 30-minute flip on NQ.
One more tap to the bottom here.
Yeah, Sonny, Asia will do the job because I won't be there. Like, that's how that works. She waits till Dennis goes to the bathroom. She waits for me to go get tea, and then she.
We're still about to go to get to the 0.5 yet, so hopefully she won't retrace back to break even. So see what happens.
That's right. I'm a little more than halfway to fund it again, so it's fine. Like I ain't sweating it.
Nice.
But I woke up late this morning, so I didn't really get to go take the walk I was going to take. But I hadn't really been feeling great, so I went outside and sat out, and had some coffee this morning and chilled. And that was a nice change of pace instead of just getting up out of bed and walking across the hall and jumping on charts.
Definitely. Part of the morning. Oh,
Just a little bit of chill time in the morning to not think about it and just enjoy being upright and breathing. It's always nice.
yeah, I closed that trade just because I felt it was coming back on now. I just didn't want to hold it anymore.
So there's no other news this week, is it?
I don't know.
No. I mean, Philly Fed manufacturing. No, there's the Fed monetary policy report this Friday, but that's yellow news. So, what is TIC long-term purchases? It's yellow, but I've never heard of it.
Not sure. The reminder. I see you, Sonny. I see you.
Yeah, I know, right?
Good push right here. That's the 0.5 of the hour. That's why we struggled so much there. I just went to the hour. That was the 0.5 of the hour wick to the left. So now that we brought in some longs there, we should push down to the 0.5 of that 30. Seemed a little confusing because it took a little bit, and I was like, why is it taking a minute? Well, we got hung up. It was the hour 0.5. I didn't look at the hour. I'm slacking. It's afternoon blues. There's our tap. Luckily, G Flock wasn't here. He would have told me that it took 45 seconds. So
You show it popping up to major resistance, but how does it do that little circle like it's an exit ramp on an interstate? Is it going to pop back to the left before it goes to the right?
I saw that on his chart.
I was like, she going to do a loop-de-loop.
Yeah.
That 15-minute candle on NQ is fucking beautiful. She said, here, let me just engulf and hit the 50% of that wick.
It's also the POC of the move as well.
On NQ?
Yep.
Right on.
I got out of that gold one too early because the 800 freaked me out. And then it just printed a big massive red dildo, but I still got stopped $30 in profit, so I'm very happy indeed.
Right on. Congratulations. That's good.
Very good. It's a green day so far, so long may it continue.
I would say green is always nice.
Yep.
Very beautiful.
Like, I don't care if I'm 1 penny in profit, it's green. I'm happy.
Yeah, that's the way to look at it.
Damn it. I completely missed the sell on NQ. That would have been a nice trade. I mean, she didn't really give much of an indication she was going. On the 800, she did. But
There's no top wick, Dennis, on the 15.
yeah, I know. I'm sitting there staring at it going, it's coming back up there in a minute. It'll probably bounce up there Asia session, put a wick on it, and then continue that drop. I think that's pretty close to what Sonny was saying anyways.
Yep.
Damn, look at that. Look at that fucker go.
Yep.
Sonny. More of a fan of Metallica than Green Day.
But I don't like Green Day. I used to like Green Day. I don't like Green Day anymore.
You just said you liked Green Days, Dennis.
No, well, I like Green Days in the market, but I don't like Green Day the band. Green Day the band can suck a bag of dicks.
Dennis, careful.
Oh, sorry, I forgot we're on YouTube, not OnlyFans. Never mind. I take that back.
Oh my jeez.
I hope YouTube understands that I retracted my statement.
What's up, Nasdaq? Gold, man.
What's it doing? Let me see.
That would have been a beautiful trade. Holy smoke.
Yeah.
Low of the day incoming, Asia low incoming. Jesus.
That 15-minute candle was insane.
You were short, Sonny? Very nice, very nice.
Like, congratulations, brother, because that's huge.
Yep.
That 15-minute candle made Stormy Daniels jealous. Hey, babe, come look at this before I flush it.
It's also about to put a wick on a candle on the left. I seem to have a.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah,
Yep,
there's a candle on the left.
About the 8 o'clock candle from last night.
There it is.
Wick put on, yep. Like, damn. Told you she's
Very
going
nice.
to Asia low. I just didn't get in.
Gold's at the 0.5 off that wick now as well. Wow, I did get out way too early in that one.
Oh. Lay down, you weirdo. Paul, you want to go?
Okay. I'm sorry, Dennis.
Yeah, so
Oh,
it's tough.
I've got a beautiful English Bulldog Pit Bull mix. I will ship her to you. She is a friendly but very vocal little bitch.
I have enough dogs in the house.
Ooh,
Nice one, Sonny. That's a solid move, man.
right? That's a like it'd have been nice if I had been in that one. Damn. The 800 had a beautiful entry too. Right here.
Very nice, Sonny. Yeah, Soul said he watched it open on the 15 and it went too fast down for him. Yeah. It was quick, so it was.
On the 800, this was your entry.
30 seconds.
I missed it, but it was right there on the EMAs into the gap on the 800 even. And I mean, that flip right there when it took off was just gorgeous.
Yep. Very nice, very nice.
I mean, I did not get it, but still, it was a beautiful move. And like,
Yeah.
1, 2, there was only 3 green 800 candles in between that entry and the bottom. Like, damn. I have no clue. No, I don't. Let me see. Let me look. Well, I mean, at 245, technically, yeah, that would be the silver bullet. On the 1 minute, there was an entry.
Wow.
So technically, yes, that would have been. I mean, to me, that wasn't a big enough displacement candle.
Are you seeing the gold? 30 minutes?
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow.
Not much of a bottom wick. We got to push down. No top wick. Not bad. Stops a little steep, but
Take the Asia low and then just wick it right back on up out there. Yeah, and cute like a dog with a bone going towards that Asia low.
Those gold.
Yeah.
I so want that. I'm gonna switch to summon press something just for the sake of it. Oh, it's better.
A tough flip here. Very counter trend again, guys. I'm not going to draw this one up, but Paul, I know what you're looking at, and I'm not denying the fact, but it's going to be a hefty stop.
I'm being extra greedy. I'm actually going for the low of the day first.
Yeah.
It's only a sim, so nobody be doing anything. Like I said, this is just testing here. These are not setups that we would normally take. So
Very nice, Sonny. Very nice.
That's a nice trade, Sonny.
Yeah, I bet it pushes down and gets that, fills this wick first, honestly.
mm-hmm.
If I was to guess, which is going to give you a hefty stop loss.
That's the problem on the way back up again. Yeah.
Yeah, but if
about
you can get your
52.
stop loss into profit fast enough, that'd be high.
Yeah,
Much
yeah.
the chance of getting whacked out.
That's the
Depending on
problem,
how
right?
volatile
I
it
mean,
is.
it's overextended. It's got to move up, right?
No,
No.
it doesn't.
Do not listen to me, people. Do not listen to me. I'm just being an asshole.
Overextension doesn't work in gold as such.
Nice. Sonny's like, I'm taking it both ways, baby. He's gonna take this shit out.
Yeah, with the no top wick though, it's this would not be an actual proper setup. A wick up would have been lovely.
Yeah, I mean, you'd
I mean, we got
break of the highs where she's at. I mean,
volume still. Like it's, if you look at the positives,
Breaking barriers with calculated actions, fast-paced phrases, Messi's price reactions, stacking profits like I'm stacking syllables. Critical thinking keeps us invincible. Discord army, we stay sharp and ready. Base camp building, keeping movement steady. Market manipulation can't defeat us. Teacher taught us how to read and beat this.
bet it taps that wick first. Getting close. Need 1K. I'm scalping it. That was it. You got it, Sonny? You made it?
no. Oh, wait a minute. Was that it?
Very nice, Sonny. If you got it, let's see if this taps. I'd like to see this tap. It even be. Gosh, it's tough. I know what you're looking at, Paul, and this tap would be best, but
That's what I'm waiting on, but again, it's only a sim, so it doesn't matter. But again, it's a pity we didn't have our wick up, because I think that would have been a nice little
yeah,
trade.
the short was much better. I agree with you there. I prefer the short here. I'm not a big fan of the long because you are counter trending. It should sweep this wick real quick, and then you should get that move up more than likely. But you don't want to take it until you flip, you know, so you get the sweep. You should get a sweep here where the stops get hit. I mean, problem is your stop is going to be... I guess you could try to do something on the 800, but you're going to have to still wait for the flip. Jeez, the 800 gone.
Yep.
It's tough. Gonna be tough. Trying to ride this to VWAP, but drilling. Gonna be tough. Gonna be tough if you were trying to here. Did it flip? Got no top wick on this candle, so that flip's kind of tough as well. You really want to wait for the next candle to come. I mean, you could take it on the flip. It's up to you, Paul. It's gonna be tough. It's on sim, so I guess you're good, but that stop is crazy. And then no top wick on the 800 isn't the most ideal thing in the world either. But gold doesn't really, you know, you don't really run top wicks and bottom wicks on the 800 per se like you do on NQ. I mean, there is that. She still hadn't flipped yet, so. And she may not. She may never flip.
We're going to click in the limit order just above that, just above the flip to see what happens.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it'll be like, that candle's 97 to like 97.1. But a tough spot, kind of. It'd be a lot better if you start getting some sideways action here on the 800, because your entry would be right above it. I mean, your entry's like right there, right above this last wick. So
Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
2202. 2212 is view up. There wasn't anything really, Mr. Y, except the 15 on Nasdaq. If you're talking about Nasdaq, there was, but not on gold. There really wasn't nothing to trade on gold so far. It's a questionable setup here. It's, entry, you know, is against my entry rules. But like Paul said, he's going to take it on sim just for fun here. If we hold here,
for shits and giggles. No, Sonny. Early close, 1 o'clock, because London doesn't celebrate Juneteenth.
yeah. And I'm going to live stream tomorrow, guys. Either way, even though New York's not going to be open, we'll see what we're going to do. Some people asked about maybe having a poker tournament. I mean, maybe we'll mess around with that. I don't know. Maybe we'll just go over price movements. I don't care. It's whatever you guys think. But I'm certainly going to be here tomorrow morning regardless. See if there is anything, because there's been holidays. Paul, you remember this, that we got great movement. So.
Yep. Especially in the London session, because everybody knew that New York wasn't going to be open. So
Yep.
there would be a lot of movement during that period.
What was that top wick here? Well, that's not the hour. Okay, yeah. Well, the hour has no top wick either. Fair, fair, fair.
That's the worry.
Well, I mean, if you're going up, you're fine if you're trading it up.
Mm.
That's the hard part, though.
Woke up at 6, charts lit like a flare. Coffee in hand, I take my trader's chair. NQ on the screen, moving like it's on fire. Up 30 points, now we're spitting out wires. Wicks like whips, slapping dreams on the line. Thought it was a breakout site, fake show. Liquidity hunting, stops getting bled. It pumps like a king, then dumps you instead. And you be wildin', wildin', heart rate rising. One tick in, now I'm analyzing. Breakouts break me, fake out, shake me. This ain't a market, it's a straight up daydream. We wild, who be wildin', fast like lightning.
That was 738 ticks from top to bottom on NQ.
I'm busy watching the gold, not even paying attention yet. I want to see what this 30-minute candle's going to do. It's a 4 hour at actually on gold.
Retail guessing while they making decisions. My setup's fire, but the market don't care. It flipped the whole zone like truth or dare. And you be wildin', heart rate rising. One tick in, now I'm analyzing. Breakouts break me, fake out, shake me. This ain't a market, it's a straight up daydream. And you be wildin', fast like lightning. Slaying my stops, man, the chart's exciting. You think you got it? Nah, it's a trap. Welcome to the jungle, better check that map. I'm scalping ghosts, I'm trading smoke. NQ's laughing, man, this ain't no joke. But I'll be back with a plan so tight. Cause even NQ gotta sleep at night. So if you ride with NQ, better bring your A game. Respect the beast or it'll burn your name. Volatile dreams in a pixel storm. This market's chaos, but it's how legend.
It's making a nice little range, Paul. But
It keeps moving away.
yep, it did.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to take ace of luck.
Yep, that's what it's looking.
There it went.
Oh,
Oh, bottom wick, bottom wick. Almost at the VWAP. Oh, in Q. Yeah. Sorry, I'm sitting here looking at gold. But in a very interesting candle. We got a wick down at yesterday's low. That was a wick there.
Then boom, we're bang, breaking all structure, killing your plan. It ain't just metal, it's a living
15-minute top wick and flip. They're a little worried about that no top wick on the hour. I mean, it's very small. But you could run that back down. Possibly. Who just came in? G-Flock in. I see him. How many tick stop losses that? I hate doing 15-minute trades though. Because, well, it's coming into the 30. But you got to anticipate that you're going to have a bottom wick on the 30. Which we have now. So if you start going pushing down, that's the last 15. You know what I mean?
mm-hmm.
30 tick stop. I bet it gets a little bigger. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that either, guys, honestly.
Yeah, good call there, Reality. I was almost about to enter that one there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not a fan.
Definitely
Disconnect.
not.
Gonna disconnect to eat. All right, G-Flock, ain't nothing wrong with that. Moves are happening, so I don't want to. I'm not going nowhere, but just not giving us nothing, sadly.
Every move I take, gold in my favor. Patience paid off, now I taste the flavor. Profit so clean, don't
15-minute candle on the NQ looks like it's trying to flip. It's created a nice wick. Not quite 50%. Yeah. It's pushing away from the London low. That's
They still need to take that Asia low too, though. Like either ES or NQ have taken the Asia low yet. So, and if you look at the 5-minute, that was a nice gap pulled up into around 50% of it, and they created the wick. There's no topic on the 5-minute though, so I guess if it hits it, it's probably going to hit it and then take right off back to the top.
Yeah, stop loss is huge, Sonny, on gold, no matter what the flip is. I don't know if you're looking at the flip of the hour or flip of the 15, but both of them are 30's the same as the hour, right? I mean, both of them are not nice stop losses. Yeah. None of it's a nice stop loss, I'll be honest with you. So, all right, so see you later, man. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
I see you watching how I move, trying to figure out the rules, but what you see ain't what it seems. I got the keys to everything. Charts don't lie, emotions die when you follow what you know. Charts don't lie, emotions die.
Now the question is, should we stay for 30 minutes for the algo? Or should we say
that is a question?
Yeah, or should we say that it's going to be it's going to be weak and we forget about it and close down and start back over tomorrow morning?
No, 30 minutes.
Dennis says 30 minutes.
No. Sonny posted, is it algo already? I said, no, it's 30 minutes.
Yeah, no. 30 minutes.
I mean, I'm 700 in profit today, so I'm okay with not trading it if you don't want to.
I am going to assume that it's going to be slow because the PA because price action's already moving. So I'm going to assume that it's going to be weak. I've got to. I'm
what
going.
assume does.
Yeah, I'm going to run into town if I'm not staying, and that's why I asked. If I'm not going to stay here, then I'm going to run into town.
Right on.
So that's why I was trying to figure it out. I got to send something out, but I don't know if I should wait and see, or if I should pack up and say, forget about it. Run into town. If I wait to run into town, that just means dinner's going to be later. You know, all these things. You always go over all these things.
Listen, reality, we all know what we're looking for. So I would say tear on with your day, because people don't realize that the normal things of daily life have to be done as well. I know this better than any man.
Yep, for sure. Sonny's gonna have a drink. I don't blame you there, Sonny.
But if we take it and you're not here and we lose, we're going to blame you. So you know.
I mean, that's fair. That's fair at the end of the day. Like, I mean,
we can blame Crown too because he never showed up. So
G Flocke will just say I taught him wrong. Well, that's what you said. No, right. G Flocke, look at that. That's not what I said. Well, yeah, no, that's what you said. Oh, I see. Never mind. Yeah, that's not what you said.
That's always a good laugh.
You're only going to have one whiskey, not a bottle? Well, I mean, 1 whiskey, 2 whiskey, 3 whiskey, 4? Or is it floor? I don't know. Whatever. Let's go something like that. Sonny.
Not a bad idea, Sonny. Or was a day off, so...
Just have one more. Yeah, just have one more. I mean...
Oh, damn.
Irish whiskey, yeah.
I want to be at Sonny's house.
Yeah, that's what we have is Jameson. Drink Jameson.
You could have a 3 wise men hunting wild turkey. Then you only need one for the night.
Yeah.
Is wild turkey not a bourbon rather than a whiskey?
Well, a 3 wise men hunting wild turkey is a shot with Jack, Jim, Jose, and wild turkey.
Wow.
The 3 wise men hunting wild turkey.
5 minutes down to the close off the 15 minutes on the Nasdaq.
Yeah, she's about to close this gap. See if she closes. I'm on the 5 minute. The 5 minute, she's right there. Like, damn, is she gonna? And VWAP 50 and 100 are all converged right here too. So.
Yeah, I'm watching 800 to see if I can get an entry here, but it's
for a buy or sell.
5 minutes off the candle.
For a buy or sell, Paul?
Oh, for a buy. That's what I'll be. And like I said, I'm not sure if it's going to present itself or not.
That's going to Asia low, brother. That's what I think.
No, I haven't entered anything here yet. That's why I'm just sitting looking and waiting and seeing.
She's just not wanting to put. She ain't wanting to put wicks on the down close candles, though. Like, and I'm like, I ain't entering that.
No, I'm definitely not. I was only talking about it as a potential, but no, definitely representing itself.
She gonna wait till Asia open to go to the Asia low.
I'm going to try and what I call get a trade for the Sydney Open, depending how gold closes here this evening. Oh, there we go. Previous day low incoming. Lovely 15-minute candle. Massive stop loss. That looks like it's actually 46 on a chat about. What's an opportunity in that one? That wasn't even an opportunity. Need to remember the difference.
Let's see if we test.
Micro would be good.
I think we're going to go test yesterday's
that
low
reality?
here. Oh, I'm wondering if we're going to test that wicket, yesterday's low. I'm interested to see what I'm going to wait for 4 minutes here. I want to see what this next candle opens up like real fast. Gosh dang it.
You're going to have to go to meetings.
Yeah. It's supposed to be
Sign me up,
going
dude.
here.
Hi, I'm Dennis. I'm a trader.
I look wonders
I
for a living.
haven't traded in 45 minutes.
Right. My last trade was an hour ago. I fell off the wagon.
Yep. My jeez.
Damn it, MQ, you're an asshole. Like, she put like a 3-tick top wick on this piece of shit, and it's just gonna go, okay, I'm gonna go down now. Like, thanks for the entry, Dick. Like, what the fuck? Oh well.
The only ever
See,
get
I would-
sales short rejected from Dennis. It literally rejected from Brown's trend line.
Oh, dude, it rejected from the opening range high, like to the tick.
Yep. And it also was the what I call the opening WAP. Sorry, the opening WAP. The VWAP as well.
Yeah, it's at VWAP, the 50 and the 100, because they're all clumped together on the 5-minute. Popped back down in the last few seconds, closed right at the IB high, and then the next candle opened and just took off some fucking amount. What a biatch. That is a nice trade, too. Shit. That's 75 points.
Follow
From the
me, I'll follow
close
you.
of that.
Follow me, I'll follow you back, guys. That's fun. I don't know.
Delete.
Delete him, is that what I should do? I don't mind following you guys. I don't mind doing that. I don't know what.
No, delete them. They're scammers. They're trying to sell you something. Just wipe them off the face of the planet.
I think they're just trying to get followers. I don't know how to do it though.
Oh, now gold movement up yesterday's low.
Yeah, there's that. I think I just gotta click it. There, I followed you, Mike TZO. I think. Don't tell me it's a scam. Don't say that. And Money Fruit.
Been right every other
Followed
time.
you.
Oh, damn, you hit follow? They got your bank account now. You're screwed.
No, not quite that bad, but they're trying to sell you something. They're
You're gonna be
always-
I followed both of you. If you want to follow me, go ahead. But it is what it is, guys. It does whatever you guys want to do. I did it for nice, to be nice, right? All right, let's look at this. Let's look at this close. I'm sure they don't trade. Is the problem? They're probably just gamers.
Yeah.
And I only trade. I don't write in my chat, and I'll follow you. Well, I can't write in your. I don't know where your chat is. OXRI. Puma.
Right, Sonny?
I
Like,
don't-
I'm sitting here watching it, like going, damn it.
I don't even know how to get to your chat. I'll be honest with you. I don't know nothing about Kick. Honestly, I stream here because people ask me to.
Hey, so is that gold close on the 15-minute? Is that considered no wick on the bottom? Or is
Yeah.
that enough of a wick?
Yeah, we had no bottom wick. It's a 30-minute close as well too, because it's 3:30.
Ooh, there's your flip. I mean, that's a huge counter trend, but that's your flip, and it swept. Like,
How much tick stop loss is that though? And we're below that wick. That's super tough. You call it a fake out. Call it a fake out and trade it up. That's tough.
What is that, 10? That's 10 ticks?
That's tough.
Yeah, that's 10 ticks.
That's tough. That's
I mean, it's still
tough.
10 ticks.
Look at the air
It's not that
candle.
much of a risk on micros.
Yeah, I think it's. I
Look at the
think
air
it's gonna.
candle, Dennis.
Yeah.
Tell me that you would,
Yeah,
walk
there
that
you go.
candle.
I hope nobody was following Dennis's signal there.
Hey, I wasn't giving signals. I was just talking shit. I told y'all that when he started this whole thing. Like, I'm just here talking shit.
Say in my chat that you followed. Where did all these people come from? Are all you guys really watching on Kick? Like, I didn't think anybody watched over there, guys. I don't even know who any of you guys are, and I don't know how to say it in the chat. I'm sorry. I can follow you if you want, but I can't. I don't know where all this came from. Long's good on gold, Sonny. All right, okay, all right. Where are you longing at? Back to the 30. Let's see. Are you long? You're long in the break of the highs? What you're saying?
No, he's not in the queue.
I think it's tough. I think it's tough, Sonny. Just full port.
It looks good in the 1 minute, but
Oh. Sonny's like, I'm just saying it looks good. I ain't saying I'm in it.
Come on, Sonny. Let's take it.
All right, Sonny, I need a market replay later. And then you just say you made 400 points. We're good. I'll put that on my stream with my course and we'll sell it.
No, I'm in.
All great.
Sonny said to trade it.
Oh, shit. Mr. Y, did you, what are you in a trap on? Oh, why you shorted? I told you to long it. Ah.
Better stop.
Nice
Better keep
glass
pushing,
right there,
Sonny.
brother.
I pulled my stop loss up.
Damn, that's a nice trade though. I'm not in it, but that's a nice trade.
Let's go, Sonny. Let's go.
I mean, you should probably close that, Mr. Y. I'm just saying.
Is he short?
Yeah, he shorted
Oh.
gold because you said don't take my advice, and he shorted it.
Oh, no. I wasn't saying to short it by any means. I'm long gold too. Good job, Rez. Yeah, so am I. I'm long as well. I don't know exactly how to show this long. I'm just going to run my stop here.
I didn't take it. Like I don't want to take a long until it takes that Asia low. Like just, I feel like it's trapping.
I'll see if I can
myself.
share this real quick. There we go, and I think I can turn this off, and then maybe you can see it. Hopefully I didn't already lose my trade here. Trying to do this. I don't know if that's the right screen
That's
now.
tough, Mr. Y. Sorry to hear it, buddy. Nice trade, Paul.
There. Now is it showing? Trade?
No.
No.
Staring at gold.
How about now? Now is it showing?
No, still gold.
Oh, it is a gold trade. I'm long gold.
Oh, you're in a gold trade?
Yeah, long.
Oh, I don't see your trade. I just see the gold chart.
No, the trades, well, it's the Ninja Trader.
There, it's on there.
So I did give a good call. I take tips, fellas. I take tips.
You can see the sell limit, Dennis. If you look at the screen, you can see the actual thing to the right-hand side.
Now I
Let me
see it.
Let me see if I can move it a bit to fit on the screen. I don't know why it doesn't fit there. Probably going to be stopped by the time I get it to work here.
It's running well so far now. Alright. Get candle down, flip up.
There we go. Now you should be able to see it. Yeah. Can you see the whole screen?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, not. No, I don't. Hang on. Let me. No, I don't see the whole screen. What I see is this right here.
You can see half of the screen with your trading view,
Oh,
and you can
I'm
see.
about to get stopped.
Oh well, you didn't want to take the trade then.
No.
You didn't get to see it.
I already took TP1. And I'm $500 up on TP2.
Ooh, nice. Nice trade.
You can see it now, right?
Yeah, NQ was a nice long too, but I didn't take it.
Can you see it now? Hopefully, yeah. The wife says
Well,
yes.
I see sell stop. I just can't. It's fine. It's not that big of a deal. No, at least not to me. I mean, I don't know about anybody else, but to me, it's not that big a deal.
Okay. You should be able to
I
see.
believe you when you tell me you took a trade.
You should be able to see the stop loss here that I'm dragging, and you should be able to see the profit right here. It's 620 in profit for the second contract. TP1 already got hit though. There. How about now?
No, it hasn't changed.
No.
I can see your order and your profit minus 22 or plus 21, 20. You're moving it. Like I can see the sell stop, like, but I just can't see the right side. It's
Okay.
I can kind of, dude. It's bleeding over into the chat.
Yeah, that's because this screen isn't supposed to be on there.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm sorry. This screen ain't supposed to be on there.
Oh,
But
no,
you can see
it's
the
fine.
you can see the trade now though, right?
Well, I could see part of it. I just it's weird. Now I can see it.
Okay. Like I said, I don't usually use this screen here, so if there's any account information on here, I'm sorry. I don't really care. You guys, if you want to take my account information, go ahead. But good luck.
You're getting swamped with those assholes from Kick now. Like I said, they're all scammers.
Oh.
Reality.
Are they? I didn't even see the chat. I've been managing this trade. I haven't been paying much attention to the chat over there.
One you follow one person and they send out a big old blast like we got.
Eh. I don't think she's gonna break up here. It's not looking like it. Unfortunately, she's probably gonna come back and stop me here. I'm fine with that though. I'm not worried.
That's still a nice trade.
Yeah, this should stop out at about 550, and first TP should have been, I don't know, a couple hundred. So that should have been about a $700 trade, I think. Pretty close there. Yeah, I'm up a K on the account. That's 2K. Okay, yeah, 2100. Anyway, all right, I'm out. I'm out there, guys.
That was a nice trade. Y'all are welcome.
Yeah. I just messed my whole screens up, though. We're going to have to reset everything now, just so everybody's clear. I guess, should I not have followed somebody? Nobody even watches over there. I'm completely confused.
That's why I told you not to accept those things from those guys. Anybody that contacts us via like that, they're all scammers. They're all looking spam your chat, as you see with all that shit. I'd say just close Kick altogether. Just like service.
I mean, how many viewers do you have on Kick that are trading for real?
I don't know. This one guy's name is Hot Trades. Huh. That's interesting.
Yeah.
I mean, tell them to come over to fucking YouTube.
Yeah, I mean, I followed you guys, so whatever y'all want to do, but I did follow you. Hot Trades, I did not. You're followed now. Says follow. I don't know if anybody else said to follow. I don't mind following guys. I got 115 followers over on Kick, guys. I don't know a lot about it. I don't think I followed this guy here. Yeah. OXRIL, I followed you. All right. So I'll do it. I don't really care because I'll follow.
Honestly.
Don't
The problem is they're going to spam the chat, reality.
Okay, well, hopefully they don't. If you don't follow me, I'll report you to Kick. This YRYS, I'll tell you what, YRYS, I followed every single person here who asked me to follow them. And you know who I'm not following? YRYS33. Go report me to Kick. I please do report me, will you? Please. I beg of you. to report. You're a fucking idiot. I'm just telling you.
But before,
No.
you, but before you contact them, take the dick out of your mouth so they can understand you when you speak.
Anyway, all right. I followed all the rest of them. If you would have said, "Can you follow me? I'll follow you back," I would have followed you, just like I followed everybody else here and didn't care. But you, I won't follow. You're not smart. You really aren't. Like, you're not smart
You're
at all.
a vinegar and water truck colliding is what you are.
Anyway,
Bless you.
very nice, guys.
That was
Well.
impressive, by the way. That was impressive. Just because it was loud as hell.
I think I messed my whole dang
Everybody
screen up,
hears your
though.
drums are blowing. Sorry, fellas.
Honestly, I think I messed my
daughter
whole
wants
screen
to
up.
fuck this chick ride the fucking R6.
They're
Mr. Why are you in profit
Paul,
yet?
we might not have
Yes.
to worry about Kick because we're going to get reported. So we may be terminated.
Yeah.
I mean, it's scary.
You should be looking for-
It's scary.
You should be looking for the short, Mr. Watt.
I gotta
Because
pull
it
this
hasn't
other.
taken Asia low yet. I wouldn't look for longs until Asia low gets taken.
Man, I cannot get my. Is that it? And I've got to pull my other chart up. I've got everything so messed up. I'm sorry, guys, what you're looking at here, but everything is a disaster.
I mean, no worries. I mean, you're set up for the algo now. And you got, 6-7 minutes left. We're good.
That's not what I'm seeing showing. There we go. Yeah, see? Why does that not fit on my screen now?
I mean, it was
Okay.
fitting just fine a second ago until you fucked with it.
Well, I changed screens was the problem. We were looking at the wrong dang thing.
Damn, a white boy. Oh, have any of y'all watched Deuce Bigelow? Or am I aging myself?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Watched what? What did you say there?
Like, yeah, Eddie Griffin. God damn it, white boy, you didn't say my name.
It must be an American thing.
Oh, dude. Okay, look up Deuce Bigelow. Like, that is
All right.
No, I
that's
think
like
that's
Rob Snyder. That's Rob Snyder genius right there.
Rob Snyder and genius is not two words I would normally put together, but
No, he's comedic genius. He was gold back then.
Somebody else said they're going to report me. Report me then. I followed all the people that asked nicely, and yet see what happens, guys, when you stream so late that all the kids that live in their parents' basements have woken up. And now they're gaming. I mean, this is what happens, guys. In the morning, we never have to deal with this.
No, because we get up the butt crack of dawn. Ain't none of them getting up.
They just got to sleep by then.
Oh, hey, 30's now playing it too.
Yeah, that's what I said.
30-year-old in Growl's basement.
Yeah, 30-year-old living in mommy's basement. Yeah, that would be them.
Shit, his mom probably kicked him out. He's living at grandma's.
Uh,
All right, now it's about to touch VWAP again.
all right, we will look at this algo real quick, guys. I was supposed to be leaving. Look what you guys did to me.
It's all our fault. Yep, that's how that works. Drop this to 1.
Short again. All right.
Early as fuck, I'm up before the sun. Coffee in my cup, charts loading one by one.
I shouldn't have followed anybody. Paul was right. As usual. He's right about people. When it comes to people, Paul's the guy. He knows exactly what everybody's going to do. I don't know how he does it. He's like, nope, that's a scammer. And I'm always like, no, this can't be a scammer, right, Paul? Yes, it's a scammer. But they seem fine. And then you know exactly what happens. They're a scammer. Every time. I don't know how he does it.
Yeah.
I don't know how he does it.
Just a lifetime of dealing with arseholes reality.
I guess. Like I said, the only reason that I ever went on Kick is because everybody asked me to first, but then Daily Dabber or Around the World or Serial Killer, whichever name he's using at the time, he always comes in over there. So I try to keep it up all the time because he does stop by now and again, just not a lot, maybe every couple weeks. So it's not that big. It's not that big of a deal if we weren't over there either. It wouldn't matter to me either way. But I try to just for them.
Well, the way I look at it is, if they were really that bothered, they could go onto YouTube and click a button. So
very true.
There's that side of it. You can only do so much, and realistically, if it's using up resources and causing botheration,
it is.
I would just
It is.
But get rid of the view.
Yep.
Rumble as a backup.
Yep. You are right. I stay over on Twitch, and the reason I stay over on Twitch, of course, Lebonsky wasn't here the last few days, but Lebonsky's normally over there. So that's why I stay on Twitch. But again, do I need to? No, not really. I mean, he probably doesn't have to be there either. I mean, I have no problem just staying on YouTube and Rumble. It would be much better for the stream, not going to lie.
Mm-hmm.
Just because the stream strength is better not streaming to all the platforms. I always wonder, are we missing a person here or there? Probably not.
Yeah. It's up to them to, they know what we do. So if they want to come along, hop on to YouTube. It's not a big thing. It's 2 clicks of a button. So if you want to come and learn, just do it the way that suits you. So like I said, close the whole bloody lot of it and just work with YouTube and Rumble.
You heard it here first, guys. Anybody that's on Kick or Twitch, migrate over to YouTube. Bye-bye. Starting tomorrow, we're not going to be on Kick or Twitch. So when I say good morning, I'm going to say good morning YouTube, good morning Discord, good morning Rumble. All right?
That's it. That's for it. Begins and ends, guys.
Yep. So this was a nice awakening from the people over there on Kick. We felt very welcome, and we'll make sure not to come back. Thank you guys, and have a great day. Very nice, Mr. Y.
Short for algo.
Oh, let me see. I haven't even looked at the dang what do I got going on here? What time is it? Oh, it's 1 freaking minute. No.
Freaking short.
Jeez, why didn't you tell me it was only 1 minute to algo?
I just did.
Yeah. Yeah, short's not looking bad. What do I got? Do I got my right? Okay. I've got the wrong strategy on. I guess we're just going to use it. We're up enough, it don't matter.
I changed mine. That way I'm not risking much of what I made already.
Why is this not working? Oh, I'm glad I didn't short it. Oof. I didn't get my order in time. Of course, everybody already saw that.
Hey, man.
You're in short or long?
But it's because I didn't see the I wasn't there for the original entry. It shot down, shot back up again, so I got on the long, but it's coming back on me now. But it's a relatively short stop loss. I'm out.
All right.
I went on the profit, and I didn't close quick enough.
Beautiful.
Test.
Nice one. Okay. Yeah.
Delicious.
As expected.
Oh, Oh, it's got a lot. Oh, that's warm. I like that. Did you like that for me too?
No.
Damn it.
We might have leftovers, but we'll see.
I came out with a little bit of profit in that.
There's a
Very
shark
nice,
kicking
very
in
nice.
now.
It spiked me in. I was down by 400. Now I'm up by, well, I'm up 895 without fees. So
Beautiful.
Nice.
775.
Beautiful.
I made 75 bucks on it.
Nice.
That's still good. That's still good.
I'm not going to bitch about it. Hey, profit's profit, because I was down 400 on that when it spiked and took off.
Looks like it's trying to sweep the previous range on the 5.
We'll wait for one more. We'll wait for the next 5, and then I gotta get out of here though. Legit, I gotta go.
It's very hard to leave the chart whenever it's doing stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, it's super hard for me to leave the live stream too. This is why I try not to live stream any more than, you know what I mean? Everybody always says, well, can't you go live and do these things? I'd rather just stay in text, because text, it's real easy to walk away from. Once I do this, it's not easy for me to walk away. I know that sounds horrible, but it's true. I get stuck here.
Ooh, shit, that was spicy.
There's a push back up. 3 minutes left. My screen, I think for some reason or another that our latency is set a little different on the on this chat. So I got to reset that too. If I go with this template with the way this thing's working, but somehow the latency's a little off. It looks like it's a little delayed for whatever reason. I don't know why.
Ooh, that's spicy.
Well, Sonny left. Did you know Sonny left? I didn't know Sonny left.
Well, he probably started his second Jameson and didn't want to be a liar.
Yeah, no idea he left.
Margin call level. I don't know what the margin level means. Does that mean you have 97% left, or you're at 97% and it's about to kick you out?
I don't know on that.
Mr. Wise posting it.
Oh.
Oh, damn. Wow. Right on. I'm thinking short again, personally.
Yeah.
I'm
not a super fan here. Let's
the
see.
reason I say that is because it has not taken the Asia low.
Yeah. And I could see that.
It's a long way away though, Dennis. The Asia low yet. We'll see what you're aiming for. See how it rock and rolls for us.
Oh, Sonny, you're back. I was just talking about you. I don't know. I'm not in love with this move at all. We got 9 seconds. It's up to you guys. I'm going to skip on this one.
I'm staying out of it. Like, I don't.
Yeah,
it's probably going to go down, but I don't want to risk any more.
I'm not a fan of it.
775 is a good day.
Don't look like anything happened. So.
Not really. But you were right. The moves today, the algos weren't that great anyway. So
no, they weren't. I didn't take any of them, guys. But it is what it is. We may do this again if everybody enjoyed it. Like I said, we
got forced into taking it, so it is what it is.
got forced into taking.
Well, no, because I put my order in and it spiked it and had those two 800s up. It's like, oh shit! But my stop loss didn't place because I changed my stop to $100 stop loss, and then my trailing I set to 20 ticks, go to 10 in profit, and it didn't it's like, nope, it didn't do it. And I was like, oh, well, that didn't work. So
Yeah.
Yep, here's the down move. Anyways, all right, y'all. I'm gonna get off of here, man. I really appreciate the extra stream today, Reality.
Yeah,
had a great
absolutely.
time.
We may do this again,
So,
guys.
Paul-
It seemed I kind of enjoyed it, so we may do it again here in the future sometime. But
Cool. Well, Paul, Mr. Wise, Sonny, I'll catch up with you guys later. I had a great time today. Thanks.
You too, man.
appreciate you, Dennis.
Paul, you gonna be here for the Open?
I would hopefully imagine I would be. Unless
All right, I'll
something-
check back.
No bother. Good luck.
All right, later.
All right, guys. I think I am going to do the same. Everybody have a great rest of your night. I'll be back first thing tomorrow morning, guys. I appreciate you all for showing up. We had enough attendance next. FOMC will do the same thing, right? This worked out pretty well.
Excellent, Reality.
Other than the little kick glitch, we were fine. So, and Paul called it. So he is the guy that knows the people.
Yeah.
All right, guys. have a great rest of your night, everybody. I will see you bright and early tomorrow morning. We'll start all over again. Good stream, Reality.
What
Yep.
are we
Have a
going
great
to
day,
do?
Riz. Sonny, have a good one.
And what? You too, man. What are we going to do tomorrow?
I don't know. We'll show up and see. I don't know. We could have a poker tournament. We could watch a chart, see if anything happens. Maybe we have some movement. I mean, whatever works.
I'm in it. Yeah, I'm in it. We
Okay.
can play poker.
That works. All right, let's try that. Mr. Y, see you tomorrow. Paul, see you tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
Have a great rest of you guys' night. And as always, guys, stay consistent out there.
Thanks, Reality.
Thank you, man.
Let's begin. Y'all move pieces random, I calculate precise. While you chase quick profits, I'm strategizing twice, 10 steps ahead. Your basic moves I can predict. This ain't no simple game, my method's scientific. Rapid calculations, market oscillations. You stuck on one move plans, I'm seeing combinations. Bank account elevation through smart navigation. While y'all keep hesitating, I'm accumulating. Check your mate, don't hate, this ain't debate. You move too late, I already sealed your fate. My mind's a supercomputer processing gains, while y'all still confused by simple price change. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, get it. Pawns advanced strategic, every move methodic. While y'all play checkers, I'm out here encyclopedic. Quick with the statistics, flowing algorithmic. Brain automatic, profit systematic. Fuck what you heard about fast cash and luck. I studied patterns till my vision got stuck. Now every chart I see reveals the truth. Market manipulation can't shake my groove. Queen takes bishop but controls the field. Knowledge is power, that's my strongest shield. Call me grandmaster of this trading floor, while y'all still learning what the game is for. Patience in motion, strategic devotion. Watch and learn, feel the burn. Learn, trade, win. Accelerate the pace, leave no trace. Your simple strategies I'll straight replace with complex calculations, market domination, pure dedication, no hesitation. Been in the lab while y'all been sleeping, studied the craft while y'all been creeping. Now watch me demonstrate perpetual check while your account balance hits the deck. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, that's the system. Checkmate, game over. Level up, game over. Learn, trade. Learn, trade. Started from the bottom with a phone in my hand. Everybody laughed when I said I had a plan. Small account vibes, but my mindset was grand. Now them same folks wanna know where I stand. Been up since 5, studying every line. While they waste time, I'm reading every sign. First few trades hit me like a brick wall, but I ain't give up, now I learn from every fall. You're wasting time, that's what my daddy said. Get a real job, man, that mess with my head. But I kept pushing, kept my focus tight. Now my account growing, future looking bright. Hey, learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. My time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Baby. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Red candles had me doubting everything. Green days came slow like a broken wing. But I studied hard, yeah, I paid my dues. Now I'm teaching others how to read the clues. Remember crying when I blew my first stack, but that loss taught me how to bounce back. Now I'm in my zone, reading every trend. Making moves that got my whole crew fed. You thought I was crazy, glued to these screens. Now look who's winning, living out these dreams. This ain't luck, baby, this is pure skill. Years of grinding up this market here. They said I couldn't make it, but I did. Said I should quit trading. Now look who's calculating while they stay hating. Hey. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. Yeah. Watch and learn. I stay quiet while they loud. Keep it cool in the crowd. Watching charts day and night. Taking notes, got my lane. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Lost it all back in May. Learned my rules, found my way. No emotions when I trade. Calculate every play, check the trends, read the signs, take my time. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Started from zero, now I'm up. Studied the game, built it up. Losses taught me what I know. Now I move smart, watch it grow in my zone. Trust on screen, everything moving clean. No distractions, clear mind. Perfect timing, by design. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves
Yeah. You fuck that weak shit. I stay focused while they all quit. Let's go. All day I grind, screen in my face. Numbers align, set my own pace. Fuck what they say, I got my way. Most walk away, but I'm gon' stay. Quick with the clicks, mindful of tricks. Ain't no look shit, pure analytics. Watch how I move, call it precise. Ready to prove, bid it their price. Wait and strike, do it right. Learn the game, stack the game. Patient hunt, front to front. This my time, watch me climb. Fuck all the noise, clear out my head. Make the right choice, stack up this bread. Quick on the draw, but timing is key. Study the law of supply and D. Charts tell the truth, data don't lie. Here's the proof, watch profits fly. Discipline tight, mind in the zone, do this shit right. I'm on thrive.
Down, take a breath, every L just shows the test. Build it up, break it down, analyze without the stress. Then
back in attack, flow like a pro. Stay on the track, watch numbers grow. Cut through the shit, trust what I know. Win bit by bit, put on a show. Every move planned, nothing by chance. Take my stance, seize my advance. Quick with the wits, sharp as a blade, making hits. Getting paid, getting paid. Bring. Charts on my screen, mind in the zone. Studying patterns while I'm all alone. Fuck all the bullshit, this ain't no game. When I hit that trade, watch the profit rain. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Quick with the clicks, analysis tight. Market's moving, but I time it right. See that signal, I don't hesitate. Years of losses taught me how to navigate. Finger on the trigger, heart beating fast. Each trade I take, built from lessons past. Fucking with precision, watch how I flow. Red to green, baby, that's how we go. Charts telling stories, I read them clear. While amateurs panic, I persevere. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Community strong, we share what we know. Each trade we take helps the other one grow. Fuck the FOMO, we stay calculated. Patient assassins, highly rated. Break down resistance, support won't bend. Technical masteries where we transcend. Keep it controlled, no emotional trades. That's how the real fucking money gets made. Discord buzzing, knowledge flowing free. Real-time updates from LTW family. Chart patterns forming, we spot them quick. Experience taught us which ones to pick.
slow it down, let me tell you something clear. Every loss I took brought me right here. Built my strategy through blood and tears. Now I execute without any fears.
Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Time to accelerate, watch how I close. Each trade I take, peeling verbose. Rapid execution, precision sharp. Like a fucking sniper in the dark. No hesitation when I see the sign. Years of practice got my skills refined. Community backing every move I make. That's why this shit isn't carts till they knew my name.
This ain't luck, this is pure damn skill. Watch how we fucking climb up this hill. Learn, trade, motherfucking win. That's the mindset that we're always in. Discord army, we don't ever quit. making history with every hit.